bro?
Well, it's a big day here today at Merrick's Garage. This build has consumed my life for the better part of 2 years. When this first showed up, it was exceedingly elementary. It was basically a cab with a frame and nothing else. And we've built everything. It's really been challenging, really pushed us. I've grown a lot as a fabricator through it. It's been a lot of fun. We've done everything from designing all of the architecture to John built this tank, the whole plumbing, electrical, everything. So today's a big day because it's finally starting and running on its own. The tune is still rough, and we've chased down a lot of issues in terms of wiring and plumbing and tuning. And yeah, so you guys are gonna get to hear it. This is a big engine that moves a lot of air, and so it doesn't tune, and it's got a massive big cam in it. It doesn't tune like regular LS engines. It's a lot more aggressive, and so it takes a little bit of coaxing to get really good. So I've got some tune work to do on it still with Rodney Adams up in Turlock. He's helping me out. But yeah, are we good, dude? Can I fire it?
Give me 1 second. You need another zip tie?
So ignition right here. So boom, ignition. You see all the light cycling. Dash is gonna come up. And here, I might as well hop up in here. Okay. Here we are. Drive-by-wire. It is the Terminix X Max, so we do have transmission control, but it is a full manual valve body, so we will not be using that. Yeah. Keyless ignition. Push start.
All right, you're good.
Okay, here we go. It's gonna get loud. Dang!
than that?
Woo, buddy!
Dude, you made my rear view mirror rattle when I was behind you.
That thing is a freaky.
It drives good. It's
I
got
was
a
sitting there
ton of
behind
power.
you. My rear view mirror was back.
I wouldn't go to Trader Joe's in it, but
That was fun.
yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. One test. Okay,
And the
so
brakes were good when you pulled up on the pedal.
brakes. When I pull up on the pedal, everything's great. So we need a return spring this higher. Coolant. As soon as the thermostat opens, coolant temp drops. Fans came on. Oil pressure was okay. Any leaks, do you see?
Nothing leaking.
No.
Yeah. I mean, temperature's fine.
What do you think, Mark?
I think it's freaking amazing. I think Merrick's Garage did an amazing job, and we need more builds like this.
I agree. This has been amazing. I'm stoked to deliver this to the
Cheers.
owner.
Have a Modelo.
Yeah. Cheers.
Let's go pull a motor.
Yeah. That was rad. We have a somewhat busy one-way street out in front of the shop, so the customer's coming, is going to be parking his trailer over here. So we're going to pull it around and come back, and we'll meet you over there as we load it.